Hello guys and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be learning how to be logging in into your NetSpend prepaid account online. For this you're going to be having to follow these simple steps. So let's get started. First go to your preferred browser, then look up netspend.com. Or you can simply search NetSpend on your Google. Then the first link that pops up will lead you right to this same page. Then on the top right corner of the page, you can see the login option. You may click on it. This will lead you to another page such as this, where you'll be having to input your username and password. You can input your username and password as such. And then if you want the browser to remember your username, you simply select on the checkbox. However, if you're connected to public internet, then it is recommended not to. Then you click in the login button. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgot your username or password link below the login box. You will then be prompted to enter your NetSpend card number and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once you've pressed on the login button, you will be logged in to your NetSpend prepaid account online. You can view your account balance, recent transactions, and payment history. I hope this helps, and now you know how to log into your NetSpend prepaid account online. Thanks for watching.